We are covering the 4 levels of project management within the PRINCE2 organization theme, a critical concept for your certification exam. These levels create a clear structure for authority and accountability. The 4 levels are corporate or program management, the directing level, the managing level, and the delivering level. The top level, corporate or program management, sits outside the actual project team. This level is responsible for commissioning the project by creating the initial project mandate. They also appoint the project's executive and define the overall project level tolerances. The exam will test this by presenting a scenario where a CEO wants to be involved in daily decisions. This is incorrect. Their role is to authorize the project and then step back, allowing the project board to govern. The second level is directing, which is the responsibility of the project board. The board consists of the executive, the senior user, and the senior supplier roles. They are accountable for the project's success and provide overall direction. A classic exam question might ask who is responsible for authorizing a stage plan or giving approval to proceed to the next stage. The answer is always the project board, as they exercise control at key decision points. They manage by exception, meaning they don't get involved in the day-to-day running unless a major issue, known as an exception, occurs. The third level is managing, which is the domain of the project manager. The project manager handles the day-to-day management of the project, operating within the tolerances set by the project board. They create the detailed plans, manage risks and issues, and report progress to the project board through highlight reports. A common exam trap involves a scenario where the project is forecast to exceed a stage tolerance, for example, for cost or schedule. The project manager's correct action is not to fix it themselves, but to raise an exception report and escalate the issue to the project board for a decision. The fourth and final level is delivering. This is where the specialist products of the project are actually created. This level consists of team managers and team members. The project manager assigns work to them in the form of work packages. Team managers are responsible for coordinating the creation of products and reporting progress back to the project manager via checkpoint reports. A key confusion point tested on the exam is the difference between roles and people. PRINCE2 defines roles, not job titles. In a small project, one person might fill multiple roles. For example, the executive and senior user could be the same individual. The exam will try to trick you by implying a one-to-one relationship between roles and headcount, but you must remember that roles are assignable based on the project's needs. A helpful mnemonic to remember the hierarchy is can't do management daily, which stands for corporate, directing, managing, and delivering. This simple phrase helps lock in the order of authority from the highest level down to the team on the ground. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.